We are joined by our experts, Mr. Vijay Lokapalli, consulting editor, sports star and deputy sports editor, The Hindu, and Mr. Anis Sajan, cricket expert and team mentor, Delhi Bulls. We also have Drupad Dave, Mumbai Indian fans, and Kamesh Devgan, who's a very happy Kolkata supporter tonight. Mr. Lokapalli, I remember you mentioning this in the evening, not to take Kolkata lightly, and you were right. How do you rate this victory, and where do you think Kolkata go from here?
I think they should draw a lot of strength because what I said was they were an underdog. So it's always good to support the underdog, and they did perform beyond expectations. I mean, few would have honestly expected Mumbai Indians to cave in the way they did. Absolutely. But for KKR, it is a victory which should help them because they are now in the top half of the points table, and they have discovered a batsman who is now going to go from strength to strength. Because everybody knows in Indore how big, how good Venkatesh Iyer is. Now it's for the rest of the world to sit and watch his batting exploits, and I'm very happy the way he batted today.
I'm glad that you mentioned Venkatesh Iyer because my next question is for Mr. Sajan. Mr. Sajan, you have been associated with cricket for a long time to identify some serious talent. I only have one name to throw at you, Venkatesh Iyer. Do you think Kolkata have found their star man?
Well, you cannot deny that, but you have to give credit to the way they have played both the games. You know, in the earlier part, rather in the first part which happened in India, they were playing a game which was defensive. Now they are trying to follow the England style of cricket, which is the Gango style, fearless cricket. And that is why Kolkata is looking apart from the rest of the teams and have won both the matches convincingly.
Right. I have a Mumbai Indian fans, Drupad Dave. Hard luck, man. Where do you think Mumbai lost the plot? Was it their middle order, or do you think it was just their blunt bowling, or is it just one of those days where you didn't perform well?
Well, initially I thought 155, 160 would have been a good total for us going into the game because the pitch was not behaving that well. I think we were fine till the 9th over or the 10th over, but after that the pitch started behaving very slow, and we just couldn't take off. We had Ishan Kishan coming in, Suryakumar Yadav, we had Kieron Pollard coming in, but none of the players took off actually, and I think credit has to be given to the way Lockie Ferguson bowled at the death because he really tied Mumbai Indians players' hands and we had nowhere to go. And then that brilliant onslaught, fearless batting by Venkatesh Iyer and Shubman Gill, followed by the onslaught by Tripathi. I think credit has to be given to KKR players for just stealing this game away from the Mumbai Indians team. Absolutely.
I can see a happy Kamesh Devgan sitting there. You must be enjoying this, Kamesh. 2 back-to-back wins. Very convincing victories. What changed for Kolkata, in fact, after coming to Dubai?
Obviously, fortune changes when time flies. You know that the first half of the leg we were behind, and right now we are up front of the game. We are doing it in a positive intensity, and this is the kind of performance you wanted to expect from a team who is coached by Baz and who is captained by Morgan. Right. So this is the performance. The intent was obviously there that we have to go for it. We have nothing to lose for the first game, but in this game it was obviously, you know that the Mumbai and Kolkata match is obviously one-sided every time, but right now it was on our hand, so it is feeling really relaxed for us, and going forward with the upcoming leg of the match, and we are obviously very much positive, and hopefully will secure the top 4 place in this league.
Right. I want to have last thoughts from our experts here. Gentlemen, if Kolkata continues in this way, in this form, do you think they will make it to the playoff? And this is a question that a lot of people are going to be asking after their back-to-back victories.
All right, you can take it first.
Yeah, I think sky is the limit. KKR, they're former champions. They know they do have plan B, plan C, whatever it is. But the way they have come back strongly as the tournament has shifted to Dubai, probably the pitches they have read better. They're able to understand how to go for the runs and what kind of attack they should have. And I'm very happy with the fact that Rahul Tripathi has also got runs. I mean, he looks in very, very good nick, and he could be the danger man for opponents in this leg of the IPL. And also, Sama, I would love to add here that you have to remember Varun and Nareen, they bowled exceedingly well at the right time, because
Absolutely.
155 was not going to be a huge challenge. Another 20 runs, yes, psychologically it puts you under pressure, but
Right.
155 was thanks mainly to these two wonderful bowlers.
Mr. Sargent, quickly your thoughts on the match tonight.
Yes, like we mentioned in the beginning, KKR has been playing this fearless brand of cricket, and you ask me, do look like making it to the playoffs? Yes, they do look like. They have 5 games to go. Even if they win 4, they should be in the playoffs.
All right. Thank you, gentlemen, for being a part of this discussion.